What's up? First of all, thank you so much for watching that intro. You watched my horrible acting. In case you didn't know, I am not an actor, so yeah, that was exciting. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how I cleaned my horrible looking closet. My mom looked in there and when she told me like it's time, and I'm like, yeah, you know what? I should probably clean my closet. So I'm gonna be sharing some tips, DIYs, just showing you how I did it. Should be a lot of fun, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I did was clear everything out of my closet, because unfortunately, if you want to do a cleaning job thoroughly, you have to take out everything. It's very unfortunate and it sucks. So I had to do that, and of course I had my music in because I was like, I am just gonna be so bored doing this. When I took it out, it was just so much stuff. It covered my entire room. I could not sit on my bed. I could barely walk in my room, and I was like, shoot, this kind of sucks, so I better hurry up and finish today. Extra motivation, you know. And I looked in my closet and I was like, this is disgusting, okay? The walls, they were like molding, and I don't know what was going on there, but it was not good. So fortunately, had my mom help me out a little. I made a scarf hanger because all my scarves are like all over my closet. So to make a scarf hanger thingy mabob, I don't know what I'm saying, you take a hanger, fold the scarves in half, and just loop it through the ends. Just watch the video, it makes more sense than me explaining, because it makes no sense when I explain things. I find that when I'm cleaning out stuff, I realize that I don't use like 25% of it anymore, so some of it is just trash, okay? If it's completely unacceptable, I'll throw it away. But just like small things, like I had an old purse that's still like functional, like, you know, we can just put it in a donation bag and then send it off. Okay, so for this quote-unquote DIY, I'm not going to totally call it a DIY because it's just cutting a box, and I don't know if you call it that. Basically, my shoes were all mumble-jumble all over my closet floor, and I was like, I need to deal with this. So I snatched a shoebox, cut off the lid, like ka-chow. I cut one of the sides so that the shoes could fit in. I decided I have to start labeling stuff because I cannot be held accountable for putting stuff where they need to be. I just kind of throw them in there. So I'm like, alright, if I have a label, maybe that will give me some incentive to actually put things where they belong. So for this one I put like purses and bags, I forget what I put, and I just like taped it all up there, and hopefully, future Caitlin, hopefully you will actually stick to that. So after that, I was like, this place be smelling a little musty, so I was like, I'm gonna make one of those scented satchel things. I don't know, what do you call it? Anyways, I kind of made this up because I looked up how to do it, and they said you can mix like rice with essential oils, and I was like, I don't have any essential oils, so I'm just gonna use vanilla extract. I hope that works, and I think that it did, because I just mixed a little bit of vanilla extract with rice and put it in a little pouch thing I had, and it smells really good. I can smell it right now, so hopefully that works out. That is about it. My closet looks so much better now, and I'm really happy that I did this, even though it kind of sucked while I was doing it, and I tripped over a lot of things and almost died like 20 times. So yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed, and if your closet looks like trash, maybe consider trying to clean it out. You could probably do it in a day. It's fine. It's kind of sucky, but if you have music, it's not as sucky. See you guys next time. Bye.